Good morning. It's quite early this morning. It's about 20 to 7. Can hear the birds tweeting. Didn't get to do much of the video yesterday. It was just a mad dash to get trains everywhere. Some being cancelled. So I got to the accommodation, which I'll put a little video up. Lovely little spot. Lovely little spot in Methley. That's now walking into Castleford to have some breakfast. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, welcome back. Still morning, 11:41. We've made very good progress, but the rain is it's been bad. It's been bad all the way, so there's plenty more of it. Ground's full, lots of big puddles everywhere, lots of rivers overflowing. But, we have 46 minutes to go. Should be there just about 12:30, which is good. Did have a little stop. And I'm hoping that that means we'll get an earlier train, but we won't hold our breath. It's all going to depend on getting the bus to the railway station, so we'll see. But, so far so good-ish. It is quite literally wetter than an otter's pocket. over here. Afternoon. We are at the Compass Inn bus stop. Slight hiccup. When I got here, the vehicle wasn't suitable for the company that had requested it. Unfortunately, the system is that they'd have to rebook it, and so somebody else would take it back. So it couldn't be done today. So it is what it is. I'm now winding my way home. I've got to get from here down to Taunton, then catch a train at Taunton up to Castlecarey, change Castlecarey, and hopefully then train back home. So it shouldn't be too long a journey, but we'll see. See you all again. So we've made it to Castlecarey, my favourite railway station, and we had a little run across Taunton. So the bus I was catching got later and later, and for some reason sat at bus stops even though we were behind schedule. So I got off the bus early and sprinted across Taunton so I could get the 14:10 train. So but I got here. So now we're just waiting until, this is the only problem with Castlecarey, it links up with other train lines, but I now have until 15:18 until the Weymouth train arrives. So, but that's good. I'll still get home fairly early, 4:30 or so. And good evening. We finally made it home. Actually earlier than I thought. It's before 4:30. I estimated I wouldn't get back today until 6:30, maybe 7:30 even, with the way the transport works, but nope, we did it. And it's not raining yet. Only got a little bit of walking to do, but yeah, so great couple of days. Stir Newton up to Liverpool, across to Castleford, Castleford down to Bridgewater, and Bridgewater back up way. So quite a trip. I'll put the figures up somewhere on the screen of how many miles, train, car, walking, etc. But thanks for joining me. Give the video a like, perhaps a notification, and I'll see you on the next travel. Take care.